Welcome to Gyaniketan Online. I am Pawan Kumar Misra and I am going to teach today class 12 Geography, Chapter 1, Human Geography, Nature and Scope from the book Fundamentals of Human Geography. The introductory topic is Geography as a discipline with which we will study nature and scope of human geography. My dear students, this chapter, Human Geography, Nature and Scope, the main objective of this chapter is to understand the nature of human geography. Nature of human geography means what subject matter it includes and what is the nature of studying human geography. So to understand the nature of human geography, we need to understand first geography as a discipline. In class 11, you have studied the same topic, but here also it is going to be studied in little different approach. We know geography is considered as a subject of the study of the earth. If we see the literal meaning of geography, we know that geography, geo plus graphos. Geo means earth and graphos means to write. So geography is perceived as a subject to study about the earth and including all the factors that appear upon it. But geography, the earth has always been seen as the abode of human, and so geography is described as the study of the earth as the abode of humans. The early geography, the beginning geography, was a descriptive subject dealing with the location of places, But today geography is integrative, empirical and practical. Integrative means it integrates various phenomena and events that occur over the earth, various components that exist on the earth. Empirical, that is, it is based on evidences, and it has practical approach that you might have done in class 11 also. In fact, the reach of geography, the area of geography is so vast and extensive that each and every phenomena that vary over space and time can be studied geographically. I again repeat, the area of geography is so vast and extensive that each and every phenomena that vary over space and time can be studied geographically, and so it includes a wider area of study. We know geography is primarily concerned to study about the earth, and earth comprises mainly two types of components if we divide them in broadly. Then physical or natural or physical components and human or cultural components. Thus, geography can be divided into two main branches: physical geography and human geography. Since the earth comprises two major components, natural and physical, which we study in the physical geography, and human or cultural elements are studied in human geography. About the physical geography, you have studied in class 11 that physical geography studies about the physical environment of the earth's surface, physical environment of the earth, such as landforms, drainage, soil, climate, flora and fauna, etc. Now, which is our main topic, human geography. So human geography studies the relationship between physical environment and human environment, physical world and human world. It studies about the spatial distribution of human phenomena and socio-cultural elements created by human through the mutual interactions between nature and human. It also studies about the socio-economic differences in different parts of the earth. Not only it studies the differences in the phenomena, it also studies the causes of differences or the factors that causes the differences in the phenomena over the earth. But according to many geographers, the dichotomy between human geography and physical geography are not justified, are not valid one, because nature and human are so intricately intertwined that they cannot be studied separately. They need to be seen in a holistic manner. They need to be seen in an integrated manner. Now, it will be easy for us to understand the nature and scope of human geography. We have already defined the human geography studies the relationship between physical environment and the human environment, cultural environment. If we say it in the words of Ratgel, the eminent geographer, Ratgel, then human geography is the synthetic study of the relationship between Earth's surface and human societies. I repeat again. In the words of Ratgel, human geography is the synthetic study of the relationship between the Earth's surface and human societies. Similarly, LNC Sample has defined geography as the study of the changing relationship between ever active human and unstable earth. Neither human activities are static nor the earth is stable, and so with the changing environment, human keep establishing relationship and keep interacting with the nature. So there is so geography includes the study of the changing relationship between the ever active human activities, ever active human and the unstable earth. Thus, from these definitions also we find that human geography studies the interrelationship between the physical environment and the cultural environment, socio-cultural environment created by humans through the mutual interactions. It also studies the spatial distribution of human phenomena, such as demographic structure like population, its growth, density, occupational structure, house types, industries, farm, and so many activities. It also studies the material culture that has been created by humans through the interactions with the nature, and we interact with the nature with the help of technology. It also studies the socio-economic differences over the earth, or in the different parts of the earth, and also studies the causes or factors that cause these differences. Thus we find that human geography provides a new scope of study of the relationship between nature and human, between earth and human. Thank you. We'll meet again in the next video.